Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture uba Paul Lingdo ulapin mana bayaka State of the Art Museum and Library Auditorium Complex kabala apkmi linti kabakat kum kajuk baminta ba on Plie no ha Bnai Jylliew menta usnem ulapin pau baka museum kan satre kampura ha kata kapor kaba ajing mentoy yakin nongwan jengokai bat kinong shong shnong nalor kata uba Paul Lingdo ulapin pau yajing tmu ban kentiu yaka State Central Library daga jing tmu ban kentiu yaka Kolshor Plie Kot daga jinge tray lang bat kaway ka seng tray mon ngobha shen ketenat kan sa sedang ban pelat ya ka kali kit kot kabalong ban kintiw ya ka jing Plie Kot.
The State of the Art Museum at the Library Auditorium Complex will be inaugurated in the month of June this year, and I call it State of the Art because we use the latest technology to upgrade our library, and roughly around 2 crores have been sanctioned for the upgradation of our library, State Central Library, and also to inculcate the reading habit. We are also working with an NGO under the banner of Kali KitKot, which is a vehicle that is mobile and has a library attached inside of it.
Menteri Ketenat Jengok Kai Perthe uba Paul Lingdo ulapin